अरे कल वाला से हमको फैक्ट याद रहता, आप पहले गला ठीक कर लीजिए, आप चुप रहिए, देख लेने दीजिए। यूएपीए एक्ट है और के AK-47 वाला है ना, आपकी 56 है, AK-56 है।
FIR में जो है अज्ञात है, जो इनके हस्बैंड को।
एक मिनट, अब हमको पढ़ने दीजिए, आपके गला से हमको कोई फायदा नहीं मिलेगा। The prosecution story in short is that the Central Police Forces raided a house and caught the petitioner and Shravan Yadav alias Ranjit Yadav alias Bajaria from their possession one AK-56 rifle and cartridges were recovered. Next, it has been submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is innocent and has been falsely implicated by the police. The recovery is of cartridges of AK-56 from the petitioner, and the AK-56 has been recovered from the possession of the co-accused. Considering the fact that the petitioners from the recovery, I have considered this, the learned counsel for the learned APP has opposed the prayer for bail and has submitted that the petitioner is a Naxalite and he is involved in illegal activities, and therefore the case has been registered under the various sections of IPC, Arms Act, and the various sections of unlawful UAP Act. Stop. I have considered the submission of the parties. The petitioner and the co-accused, जो भी नाम है, are involved in, have been found to be involved in Naxalite activities in the jurisdiction of Sergahati subdivision. थाना कौन सा है? इमामगंज है। Bhadwar police station, which is a hotbed of Naxalism. In these circumstances, I am not inclined to grant bail to the petitioner. This application is dismissed. The trial court is directed to expedite the trial as both the accused are already in custody. It is expected that the trial of the petitioners is concluded by the trial court within 6 months of communication of this order on day-to-day basis, so that criminals moving around with AK-56, so that persons are deterred from moving around armed with AK-56 rifle in this state. Facts to District Judge Gaya. AK-56 लेके चलिएगा, कहिएगा कि हाईकोर्ट बेल दे देगा।